Namaste. Welcome to Yoga in the Kitchen with Cancer. So there's really no need, as I have mentioned before, to go anywhere to do yoga. In the kitchen is the perfect place. With Cancer is also good. So we're going to start right here, right on the counter. We're going to do a little leg lift. It's called leg lift. Just like that. And you bend over the cup and you hold. There's a little bit of a restorative element to yoga in the kitchen with Cancer. After all, the kitchen is the hearth of the home, and it's a bit yin. So there's some relaxation to yoga in the kitchen with Cancer. And you follow me along and you'll see. Okay. Oh, here's the other side. I'm a little self-conscious. Down this way, because I've got you two watching me. Oh, I think we need to stop now.